Today I have this ALHJ 4K 48 megapixel digital camera. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. First of all, very lightweight camera made out of plastic. I'll show you this in a minute. I'll flip the camera around and show you all the display stuff on the screen so that you can see what it looks like when you turn it on and all the different functions that it has. But just a little bit about this camera. I just want to show you what it comes with. It comes with this carrying case. It comes with a wrist strap. Normal stuff the cameras come with these days. This is a rechargeable camera. Obviously, we get 2 lithium batteries with this, charging cable, and a 32 gig SD card that goes inside of here, and obviously a set of instructions. It'll take pictures, it'll do video, all kinds of stuff, and we'll go through that. It's got the little mount on the bottom in case you want to put it on a stand. Let's check this thing out, see what it does. All right, here's a little rundown on how this works. Just going from the top right here, we have a power button and the take photo or record video button. On the side, there's a slider right here. You press that down, it pops open, and you can insert your 32 gig SD card that they provide you with. It just spring loads in like any other thing. And then we have one of the 2 lithium batteries that's provided. There's a little metal lever right there. You just kind of want to push that out of the way at the corner, and that also spring loads in. Lock that back in place, and you're good to go. You're ready to shoot 4K, 48 megapixel, Ultra HD video. It gives you all the stuff on the front that it does, but let's turn this on. There's a power button right here on the top. So when you turn this on, you press and hold it down. It powers up, and it tells you, welcome. You kind of press and hold it down. It zooms in. You press it again, and you take the picture. So there we go. This is a slider button on the side that gives you your 3 functions. You've got video, take picture, and view picture. So if you flip it up to the top, we could take video right now. If you flip it down one, it takes you to the camera mode. And if you flip it down again, it takes you to the pictures that we've already done. Right here, we have a trash button. If we want to get rid of this picture, just hit the trash button. It asks you if you want to, use this. You got a 4-way slider right here. Just press enter, and we've deleted that picture. That's my second picture. Got a 16 times zoom on this camera, and you've got the 2 zoom buttons right here on the top. All of your typical camera options are in the menu button right here. You can set different photo modes, scene modes, lighting modes, whatever whatever you want to set up it. You can set your exposure setting, metering mode, white balance, image quality. You can set the, we've got super high quality. Gosh, and just the menu goes on and on. So there's plenty of things for you to play around with here in the menu. If you go into the video mode, same thing. Got all kinds of different settings in there you can play around with it. Typical digital camera settings. Also, this comes with a USB cable that you can connect to your computer, and you can actually live stream using this camera, which is a cool feature, I think. When you want to power it off, just press the button, hold it down, it says goodbye, goodbye camera, and that's it. It has an autofocus function on here, and there's all kinds of functions in here that you can play around with once you get inside of the menu. It has an anti-shake mode, a selfie mode, continuous shooting, loop recording, slow motion recording, all kinds of stuff to check out. This would probably be great for a beginner just getting into using a digital camera for the first time, a kid maybe. If you're in the market for a digital camera that takes 4K ultra pictures and shoots video and comes with an SD card and 2 batteries and all kinds of stuff, check out this digital camera by ALHJ. Check it out.